All right. Antoine's had almost every injury he could have today. What'd you do? Crushed his finger in the counterweight on the crankshaft. Hammer handle fell over, hit him on the head. Piston slid down too easy and caught his hand between it. What else has happened? Dumped the thing of oil in your hair. But we're 5 down, 1 to go, so I'll make a video how we do this for the last one. See if we can drop it on the floor. So, from experience last year with that and what John Deere mechanics told us, you got to make sure all your rings are lined up. You make sure they're straight. So you just turn them, make sure they're all exactly straight. And then you make sure you put them in dry and without a ring compressor. You just beat them in with a hammer. Right, Twan? So that's how you do it. Make sure they're straight. Right, Twan? Actually, you make sure they're all a third out. One there, one over here, and this one over there, like that. And then I'll get Antoine to come over here, because I'm not holding the piston one-handedly and trying to oil it with my phone. So now what's the next step, Twan? Lube her all up. So 1030, break in oil, lube her all up there. Look at the lube. And then in the ring compressor. Turned my rings, did you? Remember though, John Deere said it doesn't matter if they're lined up. Remember? They told us that to our face, so it shows what they fucking know as a mechanic there. Well, he tightens that up. We'll get these fucking bearings out of here maybe. Holy fuck, just about dropped her in the oil. One for you. Another one for you. A little more lube. Oh, that's nice. I'll let you carry that over there and then I'll tap it in there because I'm not going to do that with one hand either. We'll need a piston after otherwise. We already had one close call with this table. We don't need another. You gotta lube up the hole. Done. You did? You lubed the hole already. She should slide right in that hole now, nice and easy. Okay, we'll get our crater plug here. That moves easy. No, it's not in, but she's almost in. You want to maybe give the ring compressor another crank or two there? We already had one almost come out the other end when you weren't expecting it, so. There. Say when you're ready.
A little bit farther over.
Was that?
Crank a little farther.
To the which direction?
Top to the east.
Top to the east. It's hard to do one-handed. Say when. Good. Ready?
No.
Oh.
Okay. Real slow, don't drop it on my finger.
Sweet. We're done with the compressor. Okay, ready? Good. There. One piston in. All done now. All right, master mechanic. The man who's been called 15 Mexicans in a van. Can't find it. 155 and 165. Well, there we go then. Go do some torquifying. Stretch the bolts. Jesus, that's hard on the leg trying to hold you there. There we go. Flick.
There.
Beauty. Now we can build the puzzle of the oil pan gasket. Oh, that's nice. Twan. Oh, wow. Oh, you missed the spot, Twan. Oh, that's nice. Get that nice and thick and black all over there. Oh, nice. Oh, nice job. That really just looks fantastic, Twan. You've done just a fantastic job, Twan. Really, really good job, Twan. Just like 15 Mexicans in a van. Really nice job. Oh boy, eh? Oh, you put it in the wrong way.
Yeah, the same kind of. Who the hell designed that puzzle? Same piece on each one.
Oh, that looks really nice, Twan. That is a very good job. Oh, look at that. That is very nice. Now we just gotta move all the shit out of the way so we can put it under there again, eh? Right? That's true. The oil pump and so forth. We don't need one of those. Fuck it. Oh boy. Is that the special John Deere tool for doing that one? Oh, there, now it's in. Alright. That's very nice. Funk. Last one. Very nice, Twan, very nice. Now what? Pans on, head I guess, right? Alright, we'll see if the two of us can lift that big bitch up. Oh, there you goes. Tight on those dowels. Well, I think that should work then, eh? I think when we set the 150 pounds worth of head on top of it, it'll probably sit down. Shall we lift her up then? Alrighty. That's how we need the film crew to watch us two guys lift that fucking bitch back on. Teamwork makes the dream work, right, Twan? Right? Yeah. Right? Yeah. Right. Fucking heavy old bitch. Last time you're putting them in the 40-20s. Oh, make a nice cardboard holder to protect the push rods. You just throw them in the head. I think he had to go to a safe space after. He was all depressed about it. Oh, Twan. Oh, you're going to hurt them. Oh, God. Oh, holy. Oh, the poor push rod. You dropped it from like an inch. Oh, fuck. How will they ever survive that? He was just upset. He was, honestly, he was probably very emotionally scarred by what he seen. It really affected him on a mental level. No.
Try and speed it up. Watch the quick set, guys. Don't keep it low. None. I got the handle right here so you can't see it. Especially with it sped up, it looks like you look like you're popcorn all over the place anyway. Imagine that.
There, she's all torqued down, and now tomorrow you just got to put the valve train back in there and valve cover. New bolts for the manifolds and make it one again. Then what? Get some batteries, figure out the electrical, make sure things work, wait for the rubbers for the injectors to show up so we can put them in there, and sanding, painting, some wiring, wait for some stickers to show up, and out the door, I guess, eh? But that's where we're going to leave it for tonight, because it's 7:15. Been out here since whatever, 8 o'clock this morning. That's enough for today. So we'll go have some supper, and that's where we'll leave you for today. So I guess hit that like button, subscribe for more. We'll talk to you guys later.